people. Well, you see this big ass silage wagon, little silage pile. I'm gonna jump it with this here four-wheeler. Pretty nice Toyota, four-wheel drive. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to show you a view from backwards, behind. Alright, well, that's my video. Please subscribe to me and keep your redneck on. Yahoo!